Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to day 6 of 21 days to good hair. And like you can see, I'm soaking in some serious sun because Delhi is so cold. And with all that cold comes a lot of dryness, which includes not only your skin but also your scalp. So I believe that is the reason so many of you are facing problems like dandruff and flaky scalp. So I thought no better day than do a recipe teaching dandruff. So it's a very interesting ingredient and it needs a little time to prepare, but no stress, it's beneficial, so we can surely do it. Okay, but I want you guys to actually figure out that is this really dandruff you're suffering from, or you're suffering from a dry scalp. The differentiation line is pretty thin, but if your scalp is producing excessive oil, then that might be dandruff as well. And if you feel that your hair is dry, your scalp is dry and still you're flaky, so that can be just dry scalp. But today's ingredient is going to work on dandruff and dry scalp, so there's no problem, you can treat both your issues. Today's ingredient is black seed, which is called kalonji in Hindi. Known as Nigella sativa, kalonji is great to treat dandruff because it has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory properties. And it has loads of fatty acids which helps in the dryness of your scalp. It also helps in controlling hair fall and giving you thick, shiny hair. Today we're going to make an oil. The only difference today is that we have to keep this oil mixture in the sun for 6 to 7 days so that it can ferment and give you the best possible results. So let's get on to it. We'll take 2 tablespoons of our star ingredient kalonji. We'll take 2 tablespoons of methi, which will be grinded first, but we will grind them separately because of different in shape and size. We'll take a glass jar. We'll first add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and 4 tablespoons of castor oil to this jar, and then add both our grinded materials. Now this mixture will sit in sun for the coming 5 to 7 days. Like we prepare our achar. So let's get started. Well, I would like to add that you should invest in a small bottle of castor oil. It's not expensive, probably 80 rupees a bottle, but it is tremendous for thick, shiny hair. Go for it. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I had kept my oil overnight and I gave it a wash this morning. Well, a lot of you are asking if these oils can be made extra so that they can use it for a longer period and multiple times. It's a big yes. These oils are super effective and have a long shelf life, and they also tend to take a lot of time in preparation, so you can totally make at least for 4 or 5 times more. What I show you is a one-time use quantity. If you want to use it 3 times, you can just increase the quantity 3 times. So this is it. It was a great improvement in the comb test as well. I had a little hair fall during the shampoo, but I had very little hair fall after shampoo, as you see in the comb test. So yes, it was a great day 6. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I will see you on day 7. Bye guys.